Hello everyone, I'm Tanushri Suresh, an early stage researcher at Institute of Fluid Flow Machinery in Gdansk, Poland. For the last 3 years, I have been working as part of the Smart Answer Consortium. My research focus has been on analyzing a flow control device known as the rod vortex generator for an application such as the wind turbines. The main challenge of wind energy is to make it robust and operating in a wide range of conditions. Another significant concern in the recent times is the complaint of noise coming from residents living near large wind farms. I have been working on tackling this specific issue. When wind speeds are high, the air can separate on the surface of the blade. This would then reduce the power generated, sometimes destroy the lifespan of the blade, and make it an unreliable energy source. To tackle this, a novel flow control device known as the rod vortex generators was designed and tested by my colleagues. These are just rod-shaped small devices which are attached on the surface. They produce vortical structures which increase the momentum of the flow and keep them attached on the surface of the blade for longer durations. This increases the aerodynamic performance of wind turbines. My focus has been to see if these new additional devices increase or decrease the noise levels that are already generated by the wind turbines. For the last 3 years, I have developed a numerical code which is based on the famous Fock-William-Hawkins acoustic analogy. This tool takes into account the various pressure variations on the surface of the blade and computes the acoustic pressure levels that are generated. I have developed this tool and validated it and used it for various applications such as the helicopter rotor blades, the wind turbine blades. Thanks to this Marie Curie Fellowship, it has given me unique opportunities to go to various research institutes. I was at Von Karman Institute in Belgium for a month to brainstorm ideas to analyze the noise coming from wind turbine airfoils. It has also given me a very exciting opportunity to go to Delft University of Technology at Netherlands. There, I conducted some very cool experiments to visualize the flow structures that are generated by these rod vortex generators on a wind turbine profile. I conducted PIV measurements, that is, I used laser and cameras to capture the flow structures generated by these rods. I also used microphones to measure the noise levels that are generated by a profile which are equipped with RVGs. I compared these noise levels with the clean profile. This fun and learning experience revealed that the rods do not increase the noise levels significantly compared to the clean case. So they can be used to improve the aerodynamic performance of wind turbine profiles and blades by controlling separation without any significant acoustic penalty. Overall, this has been a very enriching and learning experience which has allowed me to meet some wonderful researchers who are all part of the Smart Answer family. This work forms the main content of my doctoral thesis. Thank you all for watching this brief summary of my research experience as part of the Smart Answer Consortium.